occurred to me once, walking home late one afternoon, working hard upon the Giza plateau, observing there the quarries I'd found behind the Khafre pyramid. Looking closer down there, quarries used to cut the great many blocks found around the Giza plateau, from block statues and great temples like the Khafre mortuary temple and the Khafre Valley temple there. Square blocks everywhere I looked. Thousands make up the satellite pyramids, along with all the infrastructure could be seen about. Thinking to myself, looking back on the day, how in the world could they have cut that many blocks in the short time period of evidence of building activity upon the Giza plateau underway? Evidence suggesting first starting around 3142 BC, late Naqada period, early Pharaonic. First king, King Mene Osiris. Mene Namu Osiris. Osiris, we say today, original word, Azores, meaning very black man. Mene Namu, very black man. 3142 BC. Building activity going on until the completion of the Giza plateau took place around 2500 BC. Reign of 4th dynasty, hence the Khafre temple there. A period of just several hundred years to build the great pyramids, the infrastructure both above and below the ground. How is that even possible? With those many millions, or thousands, whatever they are, of blocks just to be seen absolutely everywhere. So anyway, the day goes on and I retired to think about the observations I'd seen on that day. Putting pen to paper, this is how I concluded what it was that they'd done, creating what we see in the quarry behind the Khafre temple. Watch this. If we were to carve a block out from stone, and let's speed up time and say it took us 5 minutes each side, which it wouldn't, of course, it'd take a long time, but 5 minutes each side to complete a stone block that might be something like so. Five minutes each side, taking a total then of 20 minutes. So if we needed 9 blocks, it'd be fair to say that 9 times 20 minutes might be 180 minutes. Old Egypt, you know, they mastered the ability to get the very best out of everything, including time. They perfected it. So what it was they did was this, needing thousands of blocks. They simply made a block cut out from stone, taking, as we said, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes to create the block. Speeded up time for the sake of this exercise. Next, they cut out another block, taking the same time, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Next, they cut out one more block, taking 5 minutes, 5 minutes, equaling 20 minutes, the same, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, repeating the process to making a 4th block, taking another 20 minutes, and it's 5, 5 and 5 all around. So what did they get? For their 80 minutes of work, they got 5 blocks, not 4. 4 at 20. They got 5, because look, the middle one is residue. It's left over from what's been cut out. So for the value and effort of 4 blocks, instead Egypt got 5 blocks. But they bettered that again. Now watch this. In creating another block, cutting the wall, this time taking again 5 minutes either side, taking only 10 minutes to cut the block. Going back to this corner, same thing. Cut it out, taking 5, total of 10 minutes. Time speeded up, of course. Get another. Here we go again. Only 2 needed to dig out on the side. 5 and 5 gives us 10. Completing the square, coming up, cut one more section of 2 sides of 5 minutes and 5 minutes, giving us a total of 10. So now we've spent 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 10, a total of 40 minutes in there. Same again, 20, however, the middle one's free. And then another 20, 40 minutes to get these 3 here. On this side, same thing, 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 10 minutes, taking a total of 40 minutes. So to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks. 9 blocks would have taken 180 minutes. Instead, we have to cut 9 blocks. They took only instead 9 times, taking 120 minutes, shaving off from the original 180 minutes to cut 9 blocks, a whopping 1/3 of the amount of effort and resources needed to create the same outcome. Completed tenfold. And again, the rewards are obvious. So why it was that an old Egypt appreciated building there using the technique of what they did in their quarries, still evident there upon the Giza plateau. The Giza plateau, in its mentions from biblical text, called there as the threshing floor, having some spiritual connotations about it. But the old Hebrew word mean for threshing floor includes cut out, flat, open, desolate to the growth of crops and so on. As we can see, the Giza plateau, cut out, flat. She herself is a threshing floor. I thought that was interesting, and something that I'd noticed in a walk around the Giza plateau one balmy evening in November. Thank you for listening.